was convened by taxi operators, at which, in a brazen way, unlawful extortionist demands were made by taxi operators on the assembled bus companies. I'll take you in more detail through the evidence in due course, but there is photographic evidence of that meeting. There are pictures of the whiteboard that was used in that meeting to tell all assembled bus companies precisely what they had to pay to keep their buses safe. There are bank accounts that have been provided to the police of those deposits where the monies that had to be paid to secure the safety were required to be paid. There are recordings of people making the extortionist demands that have been proffered up. There are vehicle registration numbers that have been given to the police. And I'm going to sound like a broken record today, but despite that, over 3 years, nothing has been done.